For this video, we're going to show you something that many of you probably already know how to do, but just in case, here's what we're going to do. You are going to figure out how to change the image on this little icon here, which yours may already be that way now. To do that, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and do a search for the image that you're wanting. So if I search for bubbles and I go into images, I'm going to find a bubble that I like. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to save that image as bubbles. And I think I have one saved in there that I'm just going to say yes. Then I'm going to go back here where I see my icon, my name. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on the camera. I am going to select a photo from your computer, and I saved it to my pictures. And so I will click on bubbles. And then I will move this around to the section of the picture that I actually want. And I will hit set as profile. And I should see bubbles pop up here at any moment. Maybe. Let's refresh it. There's my bubbles. So once you hit refresh, you should see the picture there now instead.